These are the baggage claim elevators here at the Milwaukee Mitchell International Airport in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Just got back from Florida and just going to take a ride in these elevators. This is probably going to be the only thing I'm going to be filming because we're going to get picked up very soon. So hopefully I can get this fast as possible. Let's go to 5. These are some Otis elevators. These were originally Lexans from the 70s and got modded by Series 2. These are very fast as well. Here at 5. 1. Purpose button works like that. You can see the old Otis logo. We'll get a cab through here. These are very nice cabs. It's actually even nicer when they a while back these things got recently renovated for the cabs. Picture indicator, 3,500 pound capacity, or Series 2 buttons. We'll send this one up. I'm gonna get out. All right. These are the B elevators, by the way. Actually, no, I think these are E, actually. These are actually the E elevators. 5. So you can get both indicators. Yep, there we go. You can get both indicators. Oh, this thing is fast. 1. It's your COP. Actually, there's 2 COPs. Watch the gun go out. Here we are. All right. There it goes in. That'll be it.